Hello everyone, how are you feeling today? I would like to walk you through a step-by-step process on setting up your own WordPress website. Our goal is to get your website to look like this. Okay? We got a few things going on here. Let me refresh the page so you can see what happens. We have the cell flashing. We have the order today that slides in and shakes. That's pretty much it. We have some hyperlinks here that we could click. We have a hyperlink here that we could click. We got a layer here, and if you scroll down, you can learn more. We have a few icons here, and we got our award-winning customer service. So let's see if we can help you design a website that looks like this. Okay. All right, let's do it. Let's go to our basic WordPress blog. Hopefully you have installed WordPress. If not, then you need to install WordPress. Okay, once you have your WordPress installed, you're going to install the Vantage theme. So you go to Themes, Appearance, Themes, okay, and you want to search for Vantage. So you click Add New and type in VANTAGE and hit Enter. And it's going to take you to the Vantage theme. I already have it installed. All you would have to do is click Install for the Vantage theme. Okay, now the theme I'm using is the premium version. It's not expensive. All they ask you to do is give $1 donation, $5 donation, any donation the amount that you like. Once you have the premium installed, you're going to go to theme settings. Okay, and this is where all the fun takes place. This is where you change your header. This is where you do your slider, all kinds of stuff. Okay, but first what we're going to do is you want to go to home page. You want to install Page Builder. Hit Activate Plugin. Okay, once you have the Page Builder installed, you're going to go to Appearance and Home Page again. Then you want to activate your custom homepage. Okay? Now, that's the first thing you want to do. Next thing you want to do is you want to go to Theme Settings. And right now we're going to work on changing this header here. We're going to work on changing the header. And our goal is to get it to be this header. Okay? So let's go back to where we're at. And you're going to go to Logo. Choose Image. And let me go get the file for you. Let's see. I think it's labeled as Logo. So we're going to go ahead and upload the logo. Basically what I'm doing is uploading the picture that I've designed already in my graphics program, which is this one. Okay? So as you can see it there, we're going to select it and click Set Logo. Hit Save. And we should see our changes. Now this is what we're starting with, okay? So let's go ahead and refresh. There's your logo. Now what you want to do is you want to get rid of these gaps here. See these gaps? You want to get rid of that. The way you get rid of those gaps is you're going to go to Customize. Okay? Once that loads up, you're going to go to Page. And I'm sorry, not Page. Let me see, where am I at here? General. See this header padding? You want to decrease it a little bit. Okay? You can go 4, you can go 0, whatever you want to do. Let's leave it at 0. So we're going to hit Save. So let's go refresh our blog. Now these gaps should be gone. Okay, now next thing you want to do, you want to change these colors. See how our colors here is blue? We want to change this color. Where you change it, you're going to go back to your WordPress, and then you're going to select Menu. Okay, see where it says Menu? And then you have your background color. So you're going to go ahead and select your background color, move it to the color that you like. Let's move it around a little bit. I think that looks cool. That's decent. So you go current color, and then you're going to hit Save. Now you have different things that pop up. See these colors? See how it's blue? When I hover over it, it changes to another color. The way you want to change that color is you come over here and let's make it green just for the fun of it. So you're going to go current color. So now when you hover, it's going to be green. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit save. Now we're going to go look at our updates. Let's go ahead and refresh them. So now you got a decent site that's coming along. Okay, now you got hello world, welcome to WordPress. So now what we want to do is we want to go in and add what you call the Meta Pro slider. So let's go ahead and do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to plugins and we're going to add new. I'm going to upload, choose file. Go to my downloads and we're going to find the Meta Pro slider. Let's see, where is it at? They think this is like, I think it's like $20 one-time purchase for this slider, which is well worth it. I would encourage you to get it. It's called the Meta Pro slider. You can look it up on Google. There it is. Boom. So we'll go ahead and install this, let it unzip, and I'll be back. Okay, it has finished unzipping, so I'm going to go ahead and activate the plugin. And let's hit our dashboard. Let's go to plugins. Where's our Meta Pro slider? There it is. Okay, so now that you got your Meta Pro slider, let me just show you in case you want to install it and you don't know how. You're going to go to plugins. In case you don't have the version of it, you type in Meta Pro slider. This is the free version. Oops, I think I misspelled it. Meta Pro slider. So you're going to add new. Sorry about that. Then you're going to type in Meta Pro slider. There it is. Then you just hit install now, which I've already done. And then once you install this, to upgrade, it's like $19. See? And then you'll be able to do the features that I'm doing. Okay? You could get the limited version. It's free. There's nothing wrong with that. But in order to do this plugin, you're going to need the paid version. Okay? Okay, I see my Meta Pro slider is not showing up, so I think I need to install the free version first. So let me go ahead and do that. Meta Pro. So now you actually get to see how I do it. I keep misspelling it. Okay, let me go to add new. Meta Pro slider. Okay, we're going to go ahead and hit install. Hit OK. Activate plugin. There we go. Now it's showing up the Pro. That's it. Okay, so now let's go ahead and refresh, and it's going to show you what you have. You have a default slider. See that? So we're going to change all this. Let's go work on it. We're going to change it to look like that. Okay, let's go back. It says create your first slideshow. So once you install it, you click Meta Pro slider. It's going to tell you create your first slideshow. And let's call this slider. Let's call it tutorial. Okay. There you go. Now you want to add a slide and you want to click a layer slide. Okay. Then you want to upload the file you want to be your background image. I already have the file, so I'm going to upload file, select, and let's go get that file. Okay. It's in my website folder. And I believe it's called slider image 1. Okay, so that's going to go ahead and upload. Now remember, we're trying to change this image here. It looks like this now, but we're going to try to change it to look like that. Okay, so there's our image. We're going to add to slider. Okay, so now you have your image. Now see where it says launch layer editor? You want to click that. And this is where you want to put all your layers. First thing we're going to work on is putting our money back guarantee here. So you're going to go here, click new layer, get rid of your text, and you want to insert a picture. Upload your file, go find out where it's at. I think I haven't saved this money back guarantee. Okay, it's loading. It's taking its time. And our goal is we want to add, these are different layers. All these things you see here, these are layers, layers, layer. Okay, so the one we're working on right now is this one. Let's see here. For some reason it's taking its time uploading. So let's go ahead and get out of this. Let's try to refresh it again. So we go image, upload file. I think it's finally done. No, that's not it. Let's see, we're going to get rid of that. So you want to add new layer, get rid of your text, and you want to choose select file, and we're trying to get money back guarantee, which is a PNG file. There it is. There we go. Okay, so let's delete that one because now we have two. So we're going to select this one, hit add to slider. So there's your photo. Now to resize it, you're going to click the corner here and bring it over, or however big you want it. You know, right, up, left, however you want to do it. We want it, I say, about that size is good. Now see this background here? You don't want that. You want it to be clear. To clear the background, you go here, slide it to the left, and it's going to make it transparent. See that? Okay, so let's go ahead and hit save. So that's our money back guarantee. Let's go ahead and view this, save and preview. Let's see. Okay, so there's your money back guarantee. Okay, the next thing we're going to work on is, let's work on the cell in the top right. So we're going to go, what do? Launch layer. And you want to do new layer. And you want to add an image. And I believe I named that one Sale. I think it is. Yeah, there you go. Sale, JPEG. Okay, once that's uploaded, you click it. You want to add to slider. Make sure it's selected though. See how it needs to be checked. Okay, add to slider. And we're going to grab this here. And oops, I added the sale to the wrong thing. I added to the actual one we had on there already. So we don't want to do that. So let's see if I can get rid of it. Okay, there we go. So new layer, slide this layer over here, and we want to click the picture. We want to add the cell and add to slider. Okay, and let's go ahead and resize this one a little bit like that. Okay, so now you got two layers. You want to hit save. Okay, hit close, and let's go ahead and preview this. All right, so now you got your money back guarantee and you got yourself. See that little thing in the back? What did we do? We didn't make it transparent. So let's go ahead and do that. So launch layer. Unless you like it like that, you can leave it. But me personally, I want to make it transparent. Come over here, slide it to the left. And now your background is transparent. Okay? So you go ahead and hit save. Let's see what we got. We're a little step closer. Let's refresh. Oops, I'm sorry. I didn't even change the slider yet. So let's go over here. Let me show you how to change the slider since we're on that. So you're going to hit save, okay? Then you're going to close it. Now to make this slider appear on your page, which we don't have, this is the demo slider, right? We want this one. So what you want to do is you want to go to Appearance, Theme Settings, and you want to go to Home. You click your Home tab, and you want to select your slider tutorial. That's what we named it, slider tutorial. You hit Save Settings. Now, when you refresh this page, it's going to give you the slider you're working on. Okay, see, there it is. You say, how come it's so small? You could resize it. Let me go ahead and show you how to do that. Go over here. We're going to go to, let me see where we're at. Going to save this. And now we're going to go to Meta Pro Slider. Okay. And let's make, see the dimensions here? Let's make it 1020. And we'll hit save. See what that does. Let's preview it. Yeah, that made it bigger. So we just got to slide a few things over now. Okay, so let's go to our layer. Let's go ahead and grab this and slide that over there. Hit save. Okay. So now when we refresh, it should fill up the whole thing. Oh, I think it needs to be a little bit bigger. So let's go back. Hit close and let's make it let's try 140 and let's even make it longer. Let's do 450. We're going to save that. Okay, so now we're going to go to our blog, click it. It's longer now. Nice. Okay, so I'm going to make it a little bit wider for tutorial's sake. So let's go 1080. 1080 width. And you can also make it stretch. So let me show you how to do that. If you go to where we at, advanced settings, see advanced settings, and you want it to stretch 100%, center align. Okay, that's what you want to do. Then it's going to fill up your whole page. Okay, so you go here, hit refresh, and it's going to get rid of these little sides. See, I got rid of the sides. Now you're good. Okay, so our goal once again is to get it to look like this. We're getting there. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to add, let me see, what's the next thing we could work on? Let's add your text, your web hosting. Okay, so you're going to go here, back to your Meta Pro and new layer. And this one's actually going to be a text. So we're going to type in web hosting. Okay, get rid of the text that's already there. And you can make it as big as you want. But we're going to go change the size over here. So let's make it 72. And you make it big so it stretches out. Grab it, slide it over, put it right here. And let's go ahead and center it and make it bold. And I'm going to change the font too. I'm going to change it to Georgia. Yeah. Okay. All right. So now we're making some progress. Our goal once again is to get it to look like this. Okay. So now we're going to add another layer and we're going to add the $3.99 pricing, which I actually made it an image. I didn't make it a text. It's an image. So let me go ahead and load my image, which I made in a Photoshop program. Add to slider, and you're going to slide this on over. Boom, and then you stretch it out. Big as you want. Okay. Let's go ahead and make it that big, like that. Okay. You slide it on over. Now, see these backgrounds? We don't want that. I don't want it. Personally, if you like it, you can leave it. But to get rid of it, you click on background, slide it to transparent, and you choose it. That gets rid of that. And I want to get rid of this one also. Boom, make it transparent. Now you're good. Okay. So now you got web hosting, $3.99 a month. Hit save. Okay. Let's go ahead and refresh. Okay, we might have to fix that. It's overlapping. So let's see how we can fix this. Let me see here. I have to stretch this a little bit. There we go. Let's stretch that. Okay, put that there. And we're going to bring it up. Boom, right there. And let's hit save. I think that should take care of it. All right, not bad. I don't like how this white is conflicting with that. So what I'm gonna do is just to show you how you would move it. You can come over here, select it, and maybe slide it over like right there. That's not too bad. Just put it right there. And then you grab your $3.99 and you bring it right there. Okay, and then you go ahead and hit save. Once again, this is just a quick tutorial. I mean, not quick, but you know, you can spend more time if you like. It's still kind of conflicting, but for this tutorial's sake, let's go ahead and move on. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is we want to add these on the left and the right. Okay, so these are actually images. Once again, it's not text. I did the same way I did with the $3.99. We're going to do with those. So go ahead and new layer. Get rid of the text that is there. And I believe I labeled these, what did I label them? Text. I think it's labeled text. Let me see. I'm not for sure. Let me see. Yeah, that's it. Text. Okay. So you put it there. Bring it down. Right here. Okay. You want to make your background transparent. And hit choose. Boom. Okay. Let me see where we at. Okay. So we got to make a few adjustments here. Going to slide this up, boom, slide this over, boom, and let's leave it like, let's make this, I don't want to spend too much time making it fit just right, but I think you get the point. So let's just do it real quick. I don't like how it's not centered. So, okay. But I think you get the point, so let's just go ahead and move on. Boom. And then you move this one up here, like that. Now we're going to go get our next one. Going to hit save. And I think I have the next one is called text 2. So you're going to go to text 2. That's it there. Okay, you're going to put add to slider. Oops, I made it take the place of the other one. I forgot to. New layer. Now you want to add the picture. Add to slider. And you slide this one over here. Okay. Boom. Make it as big as possible, however big you want it. And we're going to put this here. Once again, let's get rid of the background, make it transparent. Hit choose. Okay. Let's try to make it even with the other one. Okay, so now I think we're getting a little closer. Let's see what we got so far. Okay, it's coming along. It's coming along. Okay, let's add the order today tab. Now with that one, what we did is we do new layer and you type in order today. And you want to make that, I think I'll make it 48, I think it is. Okay, so grab that. That might be too big, but let's see. Put that there. Now this is where we do want the background. So let's go ahead and choose like an orange background. And you want to make it darker. So we're going to slide it to the right. Hit choose. It's a little off. Let's see if we can get a little closer to the actual colors on the website. That's better. Okay. So then we're going to make it bold and we're going to center it. Okay. Boom. Now, if you notice, when I go here, I'm going to hit refresh. Watch what happens to the order today. Watch what happens. It's going to shake. See that? Watch this. Okay, let's fix that. And the color is actually gray, not orange. So let's fix both of those things. Okay, so we're going to make this text orange. text color, boom. And we're going to make the background gray. Actually chose the wrong color. There we go. That's good for now. You get the point. Let's make it a little lighter though. A little lighter. Hit choose. Okay. I don't like that, so we're going to change it. Sorry about that. I'll just make it a little lighter here. Let me try that. All right, you get the point. You can mess around with it. You can be here for a while. Okay, so now we want to make it shake. So we got the place. I'm going to click it, and you see where it says animation wait. We're going to wait 0.5 seconds, and we're going to have it flash. Okay, and then we're going to wait 1 second, and we're going to have it shake. And we're going to hit save. And then we're going to go to our web page, hit refresh. It's going to flash and it's going to shake. Nice. Okay, it's coming along. Now the next thing we want to do is we got a ways to go. We want to add these things here. We want to add these here. Okay, the way you add those is once again, you're going to come over here to your WordPress, new layer, and you want to do an image. Upload file, and I think that is our economy package. Okay, so we're going to hit add to slider, and you're going to try to make it as big as you can, which I've already designed this in a Photoshop program. Okay, so whatever images you want to use, you need to make sure they're designed. And I'm going to slide this down here. Okay, actually my pictures needs to be a little bit bigger. So let me go ahead and make it bigger. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to show you how to do that just in case you run into this challenge. You're going to hit close, and you're going to go over here and make it say 700. Then you hit save. Okay, now it's going to give me a higher height, more I could work with. Okay, now we got more room to work with. Slide it down, bam. There's your economy package. Next one we're going to put is the one in the middle. Let's save it. Always save your work. That's safe. Okay, new layer. And I think the one in the middle is the deluxe package. So let's go to add the deluxe package. Okay, once that thing loads up, you want to add that to your slider. Make it the size you want. Grab it, slide it on over, and bring it down. So let's grab the corner, boom. Okay, and you could resize it so you won't have big old gaps. Like that. Okay, we're going to add one more. Let's go ahead and save it. New layer. And we're going to select picture, upload file. And I think the last one is the Pro package, if I'm not mistaken, or the Ultimate package. Ultimate package. Now remember, all these things I've designed before the tutorial in a Photoshop program. You could design your images however you want them in your Photoshop or whatever editing program you have. Okay, we'll grab the bottom, move it over. Go here. And just a little side note for you, I like to have the snap to grid on. That way it helps me to keep everything uniform. Snap to grid is here. So I like that. It makes it snap to the grid, which helps out a lot. Okay, so now I'm going to hit save. Now how do you add a hyperlink? Because if you notice, when I click here, there's a hyperlink. When I click order today, it takes me to another page where I can order. So let me show you how to do that. The page I want to go to order is here. So I'm going to grab it. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to copy that URL. Okay, and then I'm going to come here and see this little hyperlink thing there. You select that. Type your URL in the spot there, and you hit save. Notice our thing went out of whack, so we're going to make it a little bigger. Oh wait, I messed up. I messed up. Okay, let me redo this here. Order today. I gotta highlight that and choose my hyperlink. Type my link in. Now we're good. Hit save. Okay, now we're gonna go to refresh. So now we got a hyperlink and it takes me to the order page. Okay, so let's go back. All right. And we have our new packages on the bottom. So it's coming along. It's starting to look like our goal is to look like this one. I think we're pretty close, you know, pretty close. Okay. How do you add these here? How do you add these menus? Okay. Let's do that next. So let's go ahead and close this. And we're going to go to Appearance, Menus. And you can add different links or different pages. So as you create pages, like for example, you go to Pages and you add new, and you say you want to create a contact page. So you're going to type in contact page or contact us. Contact us at www domain priced. Let me get rid of this. Domain priced cheap.com. And what's your phone number? Whatever your phone number is, 480-624-250. What is our customer service number? Let me see what our customer service is. 480-624-2500. Oh, I got it right. Okay, cool. So you can put 24/7. Customer support. Okay, so now let's go ahead and bold it. So I'm going to save it. So this will be our Contact Us page. Let me go ahead and publish it. So every page that you create is going to be in your menu. So let's go to Appearance. Oops. Okay, I got to reload this. Hold on one second. I'll be back. Okay, we're back. So you go to Appearance, Menus. Now, whatever page I add, and then I get my page. I'm not for sure if I saved it. Yeah, Contact Us. There's our page. So you go to Appearance, Menus, and there's your Contact Us page. There. So now that will appear on your menu, but you have to create it first. So you create menu, and you want to select these two boxes here, and you want to save your menu. So now when you go here, watch what happens right here. It's going to add my Contact Us page. See? Now to get rid of the sample page, you can either take it out here and remove it, or you can remove the page itself. Go to your sample page and trash it. And that'll remove it also. So now you go here, and you're going to have Home and Contact Us. And you just keep adding as you want to go. Let's add another one just for the sake of tutorial. Let's see here. Go here. Let's go to Appearance, Menus. And say there's a link you want to link to. Say you want to link to a website. Creating website.org. And you can say web hosting. Add menu. Add to menu. So it adds it to your menu. Save your menu. Now it's going to appear here when I refresh. Watch what happens. Web hosting. And it's going to link to creatingwebsite.org if I click it. See? There you go. Okay, let's go back. And you just keep adding those as you go. Let's add one more for tutorial's sake, and then we'll move on, okay? Let's see. Let's add another page. Let's add another page. So we go to Pages, Add New, and let's call this domain names. Domain names. Okay, get your domain from www.domainpricecheap.com. Okay, we're going to publish. We're going to appearance, menu, and we want to add our latest page, which is here, domain names. It's already added. Hit save menu. Go here, refresh, and now you got a page, and it's gonna say what we said. There's your page. Okay, so now you got a home page, you got a contact us page, you got a web hosting which links to another site, and I've showed you how to create a link to a page in your website. All right, let's go ahead and go back to the home page. That's what we want. Okay, it's coming along, not bad, huh? Okay, now let's work on this part here. Let's work on setting this part up. Okay, so now in order to do that, you want to go to home page. See this Vantage headline thing? No, I'm sorry. What are we working on? Let me see. Yeah, we're working on the icons. So let me do that first. Here's your circle icons. All these are your icons. You must have this enabled. Okay, you must have it enabled. You're going to click edit. And here you want to type, let's see, what do we have here? 24/7 award-winning support. 24/7 award-winning support. And you can get rid of all this. You don't want that. What do you want your icon to be? We're going to say we want it to be headphones. So let's click headphones. And we want it to be large. Boom. Let's take out all the extra stuff. Take that out. And you hit done. Next one is happy customers is our goal. So what do you want to do? Go here. Happy customers is our goal. Get rid of all this. And you want a smiley face. So you're choosing your icon image. It's a smiley face. Let's look for smiley face. Smile. There we go. And you want it to be a large icon. You can get rid of that. And you get rid of that. Then you hit done. And your next circle is going to be money back guarantee. So you come over here. You want to edit it. And you put in money back guarantee. You get rid of that. And we're going to make it money. Let's find some money. Let's see here. There we go. Money. And you get rid of that. And you get rid of that. Then you hit done. You hit save. Now let's go check out our page. There it is. Oops, I forgot to make one of the icons large. So let's go back here. And we're going to change the icon to large. Hit done. Hit save. Go back, refresh. Now you have large. Okay? It's coming along. It's almost our goal. It's almost our goal. Look at that. Not bad, not bad. Coming along. Okay, you're probably saying, well, how do I change the color of these icons? Let me show you how to do that. You want to go to, where are we at? You want to go to customize. Okay. And all this is made possible with a theme that can cost you $1. Okay. And you want to see where it says widgets. You want to change the color of your widget. And let's change it to blue. There we go. So see how they went to blue? And you can change them. Watch how they'll change. If I move this thing around, they change. See that? That's how you change the color. But let's just make it blue. Current color. And you hit save. Now you can go ahead and close out of there. Let's refresh this page. And let's watch our icons change colors. There you go. Change colors. All right, we're a step closer. We are a step closer. Okay, now, how do you change this thing? How do you change to be like that? Well, that is your Vantage headline. So you want to go here, and your headline is going to read, let's see what our headline is going to read. Need help? Call our award-winning customer support team. So let's go ahead and copy and paste that in there. Save us a little bit of typing. Boom. And then the bottom one says 24/7. Oops, I'm sorry. This is all one thing, so I have to paste that in there too. So we're going to paste that in here. There we go. Now the bottom one is this one. We are standing by and would love to answer any questions you may have. You're going to type that in there. Boom. You hit done. Save home page. Okay. Now let's refresh. There you have it. Need help? Call our award-winning customer support team. Boom, boom, boom. It's getting closer. Now, how do you make it blue? Okay, let me show you really quick in case you're asking that one. You're going to go to Edit, Design, Background Color, put blue, save. Now when we refresh, it changed it to blue. See? There you go. Let me show you one more time just in case. You're going to go to Edit, your Vantage theme, Design, and there's your color there. Okay? All right. Now, if you notice on here, it has my latest blog post and some writing on the bottom. I want to get rid of that. I don't want that. I just want it to go to my footer. So the way you get rid of that is you're going to go here where it says post loop, delete. Text, delete. And you can come over here and delete your whole thing. You can click the little wrench. Oops, I messed up. Select the wrench, delete row. Are you sure? Yes. Save home page. So now you don't have that extra thing on the bottom. So I'm going to hit refresh. And it should have got rid of all that on the bottom. There you go. And if you want to put a footer, like this one here, let's just say we want to put this information. I'm going to copy it. I'll show you how to put a footer. I'm going to go to widgets. And see where it says footer here? We're going to put our, let's see, widget. We need a text widget. Where's our text widget? There it is. So you just slide that to your footer. Boom. Paste it. However you want to do it. Hit save. Okay. And let's see what happens. Hit refresh. And all that writing should come up on your footer now. There it is. You can go in and straighten everything out. Good stuff like that. Now there is another plugin that you can use, because let me show you with the footer here. If you go to Appearance and we go to our widgets, you have your footer, right? And we put a text one there. But look how the text looks. It's kind of, let me see here. I got lost here. Let me see. We're going to go back to our site. Let's go back to our site. Okay. If you notice here, it's kind of all mumbo jumbo, right? There is another plugin you can get that I want to show you. Okay. So the way you get it is you go to Plugins, Add New, and it's Tiny MCE Advanced. Then you hit Enter. Okay, and then we're going to hit Install Now. This is a nice one. Let me show you what this one does. Then you activate the plugin. Okay, so now when you go to your, where are we at? Go to your parents and you go to your widgets, you're going to have another additional one. Where's it at? See if I can find it for you. Boom, boom, boom. I'm not for sure if that's the right one. Let me see. Plugins. Tiny MCE. Maybe it's not the advanced one. Let me see. Let me try add new. I think I might have made a mistake. I'm sorry. Let me see. It might be Tiny MCE just by itself. Or visual. I think this is it. I think that's it. Black Studio Tiny MCE widget. That's it. Welcome to the tutorial. Okay, I think that's it. Let me see. Let me go to Parents, Widgets. I think that's the one. That's it. And it's going to say Visual Editor. That's the one you want. Okay, so let's go ahead and go here and delete this one. Okay, it's going to delete that. And we're going to slide up our visual editor. Now watch how nice this one is. See, this one's nice. So I'll paste the same thing, but see how it organized it for me? It's not all mumbo jumbo. See that? Look how nice that looks. Hit save. Let's go to our website. Hit refresh. Now watch how nice it's going to look. See? Isn't that nice? So let's see how close we are. We got this. And we got that. I think we're almost done. Not bad, huh? Not bad. All right, I think that's pretty much it. And thank you for joining me. Once again, this tutorial is brought to you by domainpricecheap.com. That's domainpricecheap.com. And we have a lot of specials that take place on our website. So if you want to stop by and be a support, you can. We have all kinds of stuff. We got web hosting, WordPress hosting, domain names for good prices. Oh, let me show you real quick. I didn't show you how to put the hyperlink on these things. So right now we don't have any hyperlink. Let me show you really quick. To add the hyperlink, you're going to go to your MetaPro slider. Okay. You're going to launch your layer. Come down here, select it. And you want to select your hyperlink. And let's say you want it to link to domain pricecheap.com. You hit OK, and you do that all for the rest. You do that for the rest of the three. Go here, domain pricecheap.com, and you click here. You go www.domainpricecheap.com, and you hit save. Okay, go to your website, and you want to hit refresh. So now you have hyperlinks. Okay, and it'll take you to the page we tried to design like. Thank you for joining us. We'll talk to you later. God bless.